Get everything cleaned up. Alright, I have everything cleaned up now. Here are my 4 bolts. Here are my 4 spacers, and here are my 4 clips. 2 brand new coils. And the bracket. So now it's time to put it back together. This one goes like that, and that one goes like that. Now it's time to put it back together. So, put a clip on, put the bolt through, get a spacer, and get it started. Flip it over. And those clips, bolt, spacer, and tighten that up. It's not tight yet. I want to put it together, then verify that I got things right. Now this one goes the opposite way, so that it fits. Put a clip on. The bolt, spacer, actually, let's let gravity do the talking. Oh, come on. Just not cooperating. You know what? Clip on, bolt, spacer, put it in place, and multiple ways of doing this. Okay. So, that all looks good. Look at it. Now time to snuggle. Tighten them up. One grunt's good enough. Now the anal bit's coming in. I gotta straighten that out. Nah, that one's alright. This one I want to straighten. Hold that in place. And last but not least, alright. 2 brandy new coils to go along with the brandy new plug wires. This one happens to be number 3. Alright. Now are going to try to get number 3 to fit through there. Now I have a brand new number 5. Good. This side's done. Alright, I have a number 4, 2, 4, 6. Now here's number 4. Very simple one to get to. Bring this around. Let's see. Alright, now that does go there. That's number 4, number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright, so to put these on, this has to rub up against here. So you've got this cap, and you've got this little plastic piece, and then you got this rubber sealant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lube this just a little. I want things to be able to spin with no real problem. I'm not worried about it backing out. I just want to make sure I can get this cap to seat all the way. Not that it's that important, because as long as this gets squished, as long as it gets squished into the coil, we're good. So I'm just going to take just a little bit of this stuff, put it on the tip of a screwdriver. I just need to put a little there. It'll get distributed once I spin that. Get some more of this stuff and put it between the plastic and the rubber. And a little on the rubber, like I said. That will get distributed by just doing this. So that's coil 3. Alright. Now I'll just make sure I can spin everything on here. Just put a little bit on here. I only need to put it on this little slide because it'll get distributed properly. So since this thing sits like this is 3 and 4, and that's 5 and 6. So there's 5. See, so this one's number 5. Let me screw that into there. To see tightness, I don't want the wire to actually spin. It's a little easier like this. Alright. Yeah, there we go. That's nice. So that sits like that. So number 6 I didn't replace yet, so here's number 3. Here's number 4. So let me put number 4 right there. You know, turning this into the tightening it like that. Oh, look at that, nice. It will. And I want to go nice and straight into there. All right, so that went nicely. That's snug, that's snug, that is snug. Alright, so I got all those on there. Clean those off. That's one. Clean that off. Okay. Now the wires I'm missing are number 6 and number 2. So you can't see. Here's number 2. I don't have that cable, and that's actually my worst one. That was the one that was misfiring a lot, or not firing. Number 6 was working fine. I just really want to run this before I get it, so I'm just going to put this one in. Because I do know this one was firing well. Probably the only one. So I'm going to put number 6 in this for the time being. Because I want to run this jewel. Alright, so I got all 4 of those in there. Let me bring this over. There we go. Coil number 1 goes right there. Actually, you know what? I'm going to tighten that into place. Coil number 2 goes to that one. Can you even see me? Yeah. Oh. Alright, so I just put cylinder number 1. There's cylinder number 2. That's the one I don't have. I know I will do. Find the best one I have out of the old and hook that up. Same with number 6. I know is pretty good, so for the time being I'm going to do that. My next step is put this bracket back on. So that this is the engine bracket for right here. Also those 2 coils mount to it, as well as the fuel valve handle. So this bolt goes right here, and that tightens up. There we go, that's how that works. So let me tighten this some more, just to hold it into place. That bolt goes there. Come on. There we go. And that bolt goes there. Now I'm not too worried about things. Like I do have this guy. That's for these, to hold these 3 together right there. But I'm not going to put that on just now, because I do have to take it back apart to an extent to change that coil. Change this wire and this wire. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, be honest, that's tight enough for that for now. Whoops, sorry about that, people. There we go, there's that. No, the coil bracket has this little spacer and bolt. So if I put that, I really gotta figure this one out. That one doesn't seem right. Let me get that out of the way. See, so now if I put that guy through there, put that on there. See, now if I can line this up right. Alright. This one's the same. That one goes there, yep. So, put that spacer and snuggle this one up. Not gonna go too tight because the fuel petcock valve, petcock lever goes right there for that fuel tank to go in. Now it's time to connect my wires up.